If you want to save time and stay consistent on X, this video is going to show you exactly how to schedule posts on X.com, step by step. We'll cover how to create the post, open the scheduling tool, pick the perfect date and time, confirm the schedule, and then how to view, edit, and delete scheduled posts later if you need to make changes. This is a super useful feature for creators, brands, and anyone who wants to plan content ahead of time instead of posting manually every day. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to X and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Post button. This is where you'll start creating your new post. Click Post and the Composer window will open. Now type out the message you want to publish later. You can write your full post, add your hashtags, mention accounts, and include any links or media you want to share. Just make sure everything looks right before you schedule it, because this is the version that will go live at your chosen time. Next, look underneath the Post Composer for the scheduling option. You should see a schedule icon that looks like a calendar with a clock. Click that icon to open the scheduling window. This is where you'll tell X exactly when you want the post to go out. If you don't see the option right away, take a moment to check below the Composer carefully, because the scheduling tool is usually placed right around the posting controls. Now it's time to choose the date and time. In the scheduling window, select the month first, then the day, and then the year. After that, choose the exact hour and minute you want your post to publish. Try to pick a time when your audience is most active, since that can help your post get more engagement. Once you're happy with the date and time, click Confirm. That locks in your schedule and brings you back to the Post Composer. Before finalizing, take one more look at your post. Check the wording, the links, the tags, and the scheduled time. If everything looks good, click Schedule. At that point, X will save the post and automatically publish it at the time you select it. You do not need to come back and post it manually. That's the whole point of scheduling. It helps you stay organized and keeps your content going out even when you're busy. Now, let's say you want to check what you've already scheduled. To view scheduled posts, click the Post button again, then go into Drafts and switch over to the Schedule tab. From there, click Schedule Posts. You'll now see a list of your upcoming scheduled content. This is really helpful if you want to double-check what is coming up or make sure a post was saved correctly. If you need to edit one of those scheduled posts, open the Scheduled Posts list and select the post you want to change. Then make your edits, whether that means changing the text, updating the timing, or fixing a small mistake. After that, save the updated schedule so the changes actually take effect. This is great if your plans change and you need to move a post to a different time. And if you want to delete a scheduled post, go back into the Scheduled Posts area, click the Edit button at the top, check the box next to the post you want to remove, then select Delete. Confirm the deletion, and the post will be removed from your schedule. This is useful if you no longer want to publish that content or if you want to replace it with something better. One important note, post scheduling on X is available on XWeb, and depending on your account type or current features, it may require an eligible plan. So if you don't see the scheduling option, that could be the reason. And that's it. Now you know how to schedule posts on X.com, how to view your upcoming scheduled posts, how to edit them, and how to delete them if needed. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.